Hello everyone, this is Toys Unlocked, and I need you to raise your hand if that looks like a 9 to you, because this is day 9 of the LEGO Friends Advent Calendar, and I'm so incredibly distracted by this font that I can't think straight. And it's making me uncertain about what's inside if we can't even recognize the outside, and that's a remote control of some kind, and I think this is like a drone, so we are going to take this out and see if I'm right. Okay, obviously this is a plane and not a drone, and I don't know what I'm talking about, but I do know that the first thing we're going to do is build a little remote control for it, which is pretty cute. We can have Emma flying this little plane around on Christmas morning, but I think we'll give it to Holly, and actually Holly can't hold it, so he will just stand on it, and that probably violates some kind of warranty. Now, I don't actually know if Santa's presents come with warranties, of course. Maybe it's something he should consider. But you know what? In terms of like consumer marketing, I don't know that Santa needs any more help. I think he's pretty set. So let's get to building. And actually, you know what? I'm almost done. This was a very, very short build. This is cute. I like it. Look at the bright colors, and it seems like it's the right size for our mini doll to hold. I don't actually know if she can hold it, though. We'll try that out in a second. But it looks like a toy. Something about the bright pop of colors works for me here. And I think that's it. Okay, let's get Emma over here and see if we can put it in her hand, which I cannot figure this out, so I don't think it fits in her hand. So we'll just kind of drape it across her like a plain blanket or something like that. Okay, and I noticed there's a stud, so I would be remiss if I didn't put Clarence up here and kind of, you know what, actually that's really, really unsafe. Please don't treat your pets like that. Okay, so there we have it, the remote control plane, and I can't hold it, and no one can fly it. And that's day 9, so I'll see you tomorrow for day 10.